Maggie? Maggie? Who did this? Who did this? No, Maggie. Did you do that? Oreos, Maggie? Maggie, did you eat the Oreos? No. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should really be ashamed of yourself, Maggie. You're fat, Maggie. You're a girl, Maggie. No? Okay. This is a no-no. This is a no-no. Bradley. No. 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 And this is the worst one of them all. Did you do this? You can't eat these. You'll die. No. Frida, you don't do that anymore. Bradley, don't you groom yourself right now. I'm talking. I love you. I love my little man. You my beard face? Does everyone understand the gravity of what's happening here? Now, Maggie, you were in charge. You should know better, Maggie. You should know better.